Um, let's see. I was saying something. What was I saying? What's up, Captain? He's a cosplayer. He's a cosplayer in training. So, question. Yeah, this is the right answer. Right there. What was I saying? Oh yes, Volcani Gamers. Volcani Gamers' wife. Feel free to spam your wife's creds into the chat, please. Man says I gotta get ready for tonight, but hope you have a great stream. It was lovely talking to you. You as well, Hollister Gamer. Take care of your two daughters. Make sure they get fed. I'm sure you usually feed them. Hope to talk to you again shortly. Much love and God bless. Amen. You too. People helping people. People helping streamers get the word out for their channel. Fokadi, did I give you a shout out yet? I'm sorry. Where are my manners? I'm so sorry. There we go. So, does anybody watch any football yesterday? Anybody watch that Eagles game yesterday? So, Eagles fans, are you really that happy about yesterday? Yes, a win is a win, a W is a W, but it should have been easier. It should have been an easier W than it really was. It should have been. The Giants are not a great football team. And the Eagles are supposed to be better than the Giants. They did not. I'm just saying, we had high hopes in the beginning of the season, and now you're not a football fan? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, are you a sports fan at all? Basketball, baseball, highlight. If I had to pick a team, it would be the Bucks as well. Florida man, Florida man here. We're more martial arts family, so I guess UFC. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry. I wish I could hold a conversation about UFC. I wish I could. haven't followed boxing in a long time either. Is boxing still a thing? I haven't heard about boxing. I haven't heard about many boxing matches in a long time. Mike Tyson used to be a big draw. I used to be a fan of Sugar Ray Leonard. That shows my age. It's not like I get offended by football. So who's your favorite UFC fighter in UFC? I've been trying to teach my daughter. My daughter is a musician, and she is in the marching band at college. So she's trying to learn as much as she can about this game that's being played in front of her as she's playing her instrument. Alright, so I think I need some more lines going this way, this way. So I think she's getting closer to getting the hang of it. Getting closer to understanding the game. We had some good discussions at Thanksgiving when she was watching the Thanksgiving game, and yesterday was the Christmas game. Still don't think she's quite getting it, but she's closer today than she was before. No matter what the sport, Philadelphia is always making bigger promises than they can deliver upon. Snowman says, back home, so connection is solid again on my end. Yes! How goes it, my friend? It goes well. It is going. Hope you got all your errands done. All your Boxing Day errands done. All right, let's get this arm. Bigger, I think number 12. Let's do that.